Howdy, Santa Rosa neighbors. Do you have rodent control issues in your Santa Rosa home? I'm Zachary Smith, founder of Smith's Pest Management, and I am dealing with rodent callouts like crazy right now. Rats, mice in the home all around Santa Rosa and the surrounding area because it is a really great, healthy environment for these rodents to proliferate. They get in the home through small openings. They find your food. Well, they want to nest in your attic. They want to actually get in the insulation and just build nests. Your home is comfortable for them. And how are we going to get rid of rodents in your Santa Rosa home? We are going to need to trap them and exclude them. Here's what I recommend you do if you're going to do it yourself. Go to the hardware store and buy a bunch of traps. First, you got to identify, do you have rats or do you have mice? One rule of thumb: if the droppings are small like rice, you have mice, okay? Get the right size trap for the right size pest. Don't try to trap rats with a mouse trap. They're going to get smart. They're going to avoid your traps. You're going to be spinning your wheels. If you have rats, you've got a good challenge on your hands. Are you ready for it? Pre-bait, okay? Get a lot of traps. I would say start with 10, no less. Traps are cheap. Rats are expensive. Put the traps where you see droppings, where you see activity. If you're not comfortable going up in your attic, get somebody to help you or call a pro. We'll talk about that later. When there are droppings, that's where the rats will commonly return. Put the traps there. Put food on the traps. Try peanut butter. Try dried apricots. Try beef jerky. Figure out what they want to eat and let the rats feed from the traps for several days, okay? When they're eating all your food and you know what food they want, now's the time you're going to do the set, okay? You're going to set all the traps at once and you're going to catch a ton of rats. It gets a little bit more complicated than this, but not much. Once you figure out this routine, you can do this again and again, okay? But why are you doing it again and again? Because they're getting in your home. In Santa Rosa, with the pest pressure that we see, the rats are like zombies just banging down your door, okay? They want to get in. They'll chew their way in. They'll wiggle their way in. You've got to find an opening that's as big as your thumb or larger, and that is a rat size opening, okay? You got to close all that up, and you need to use something like wire mesh. Don't use steel wool. Use some adhesive and wire mesh and screws and close that stuff up, because if you can pull it out with your fingers, the rats can pull it out with your fingers. That's a good test. Now that you've closed up the holes and you've gotten rid of the rats, you should be rat free, but if you're not, you might need a pro. This is what I do. We provide a warranty service, guaranteed service. We're going to come out, we're going to take care of it all. We're going to take care of it long term. You're going to have peace of mind knowing that a pro is backing you up, but we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to trap, we're going to close up the holes, and we're going to stand by our work. Sometimes there's a hole that you miss. That's the tricky part. You got to find it, okay? A pro will do this. If you're going to do it yourself, arm yourself with knowledge, because rats are a lot smarter than you think. If you need help with your Santa Rosa home with rodent control, you know who to call. Zachary Smith, founder of Smith's Pest Management. Your Santa Rosa rodent problems stop here.